Here is how to request a document from a client in Clio Manage. You are already signed in, so begin from the main Clio Manage workspace. In the left-hand navigation menu, click Documents. This opens the area where matter-related files and folders are stored, including the place where you can start a request tied to a specific client matter. Once you are in Documents, open the Matter folder associated with the client you want to request a document from. Make sure you choose the correct matter before continuing, since the submitted file will be connected to that folder and easier to find later if it is linked properly from the start. With the Matter folder open, move to the upper right corner of the Documents page and click New. This opens the available actions for adding or collecting items in that matter. From the options shown, select the one that allows you to request or collect the document from the client. After that, choose the client or contact who should receive the request. If there is more than one contact connected to the matter, confirm that you are selecting the right recipient so the request goes to the intended person. Next, enter the details of the document you need the client to provide. Use the request field to describe the document clearly so the client knows what they are expected to upload. Then add any message or instructions that should accompany the request. This can include context about what is needed or guidance on what the client should submit through the secure request. When those fields are complete, review the recipient and the request details before sending. Take a moment here to check that the matter, the contact, and the document description all match what you intend to request. This is the final review step before the request is delivered. When everything looks correct, click Send. Clio Manage will send the document request to the client. The client can then follow the request they receive to securely provide the requested document through the process included with that request. After the client submits the file, return to the Matters Documents area to access it. Go back to the same Matter folder where you started the request and look in the Documents section for the uploaded file associated with the client's submission. Because the request was created from within that matter, the document will be available there once it has been provided. Thanks for watching. Your client document request has been sent in Clio Manage, and the submitted file can be accessed from the Matters Documents area.